Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, this is First Trader here. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to catch spike and also how to pick up to 10 to 20 candlesticks if you are scalping on boom and crash. Okay, so this strategy is very simple and easy to use, guys, and is more accurate than most of the strategies you can get anywhere online. Okay, so this strategy is simple, and we are just using two indicators here. Okay, one indicator on the main chart and the second indicator on the window one. All right, so if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video just like this. All right, I'll be holding a 1-week mentorship program. So if you are interested in learning how to trade the forex markets, how to trade naked forex, how to analyze your charts, typical price action analysis, and also few indicator strategies, then click on the link in the description of this video and join the group. All right, for this mentorship program, it's going to be a 1-week intensive mentorship program where I'm going to be sharing my strategies and also the risk management I use. Okay, then you also have to create your trading plans in the mentorship program. All right, so having said that, let's dive into the strategy. Okay, so probably I might enter a trade live here if I see an opportunity, but this strategy works it's very easy to picture and it works perfectly well. Okay, we are going to be using divergence for this strategy. Okay, so basically we are using RSI divergence, and divergence is very simple. If you don't know anything about divergence, it's simple, and what it means is just when you are having a contradiction, okay, between the chart and the RSI. Okay, so if you look, we have our main chart right here. Okay, this is our main chart where we have those candlesticks. Okay, and here is our RSI. Okay, so and the blue line is our RSI line. We have the levels, which is 70 and 30. Okay, the 70 we know is overbought. Okay, why the 30 is oversold. Okay, so that's basically what we can see in this RSI right here. So what we mean by divergence is when the chart, okay, the swings or the movement of the chart is opposite to that of RSI. Okay, if you look at this my line here, okay, this my blue line here, you can see that this line actually represents whatever the price is doing right here. Okay, so but whenever this line decides to do something opposite to what the price is doing, we have what is called the divergence. And what do I mean? Let's assume that the price is making a lower low to the downside. Okay, make another lower low to the downside. Okay, now we have this low which is lower than the previous low, right? So we're expecting our RSI to follow the same thing or follow suit. Now the RSI might make that lower low, which is the first one. Okay, but the next low might be lower and might be higher now instead of being lower than this one. So here we have a divergence when this one is making a lower low and this one is making a higher low. Okay, here and here you can see this is a higher low, while this one is why we have a lower low in the main chart. Okay, so our chart 1 is giving us a higher low, sorry, a lower low, while our chart 2 is giving us a higher low. Okay, so once you see this kind of price action, we say that there is divergence, and is a reversal signal, guys. So when you see a divergence, is a reversal signal. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to use it. Now here we are going to be using it in a different way, not just the way you can actually a lot of people use it online. No, we are going to be modifying it in such a way that it will suit our trading the strategy, because of the spikes. Okay, you know, the spike that happen on boom and crash doesn't happen on maybe volatility on currency pairs. So it's not the same way you use divergence on currency pairs or volatility you will use it on boom and crash. No, we can actually use it in different way, and that's why we have this our indicator right here for confirmation, guys. Okay, so how do you actually use this strategy? If you are let's say you want to catch spikes, okay, this is the strategy that works well when you want to catch multiple spikes, not just one spike but multiple spikes. Then you are going to be looking for divergence, guys. Okay, so you are going to be looking for divergence. So whenever you are catching spikes, we are likely not going to be using this moving average in the main chart. We only use this moving average in the main chart, that is this black line, when we are trading against spikes. Okay, when we are picking 10 to 20 candlesticks, which is the bullish or bearish, depending on whatever you are trading. If it is crash, we are looking at picking, if we are picking this green candlesticks right here, okay, we are going to be using the black line for confirmation. Okay, but if you are just catching the spike, which is the long candlesticks, okay, we are not going to be using that black line. And how do you use this particular strategy? First, look at what happened here. Okay, just pay close attention to this swing point, okay, and look at what happened here. First, you want to see the price okay, the kind of divergence in the price and also our RSI here. So if you look, we have this here, which is a lower low, okay, and we have a higher low here. Okay, let me just pick a line for you to see this. You can see here on our main chart, you have the higher low. Okay, you can see this one is higher than this one is higher than this, why this one is lower than this, which is opposite. So if I pick a line and draw from here, you can see I draw to this downside. Okay, it's showing a kind of the strength, the buying strength have changed. Okay, the price is about to depreciate. Okay, because the momentum is down. That's what RSI is showing. RSI is showing that the momentum is down. Okay, why this, which is our main chart, is giving us a higher high. Okay, it's giving us a higher high, which is opposite of what we had in the window 1 right here. So what we have here is different from what we have here. Okay, so that's divergence for you. So once you discover that divergence, when the maybe RSI is giving you a lower low while the main chart is giving you a higher high, we are going to be selling. Okay, because this is actually showing momentum, okay, in the price action. So you can see the price is about to depreciate from here, showing you a lower low while the main chart is giving us a higher high. So this is a reversal signal, and once you picture that, then you are going to be making entry somewhere here or here or here, anywhere around here. Then you can see the spikes start coming. You can see how massive these spikes look like. You can see how it look. Then another thing you need to consider is that you must make sure that it's playing out at level 70 or above level 70. You can see here this thing happened at level 7, above level 70. Okay, so you must make sure that the divergence on that is our RSI divergence right there is happening above level 70 or at level 70. Okay, so when you see divergence in the middle of this, maybe between 70 and 30, you should ignore it. We are taking this because it happened at level 70. That is exactly the reason why we entered this trade. Okay, it's very simple to use and easy. It keep happening, and you can trade this on any time frame. But if you want to catch multiple spikes, if you want to catch spikes easily, you can actually check out trading it on 1 minute time frame, guys. So if you check, if we go maybe go back and check, let's see, from here we have a divergence. Let's see if we have a divergence here, right? Okay, so we have this one making a lower low, okay, and this one is making a higher high. So look at the divergence here when you are going to be picking those maybe 10 candlesticks or 20, between 10 to 20 candlesticks. Okay, it depends on what your kind of management or your target. Okay, so let me just pick a line also and draw. You can see here we have a lower low. Okay, why the RSI is giving us a higher high. Okay, a kind of a lower high right here. You can see this one. At this point we have the low, okay, right here, and this low here is lower than this, okay, which is lower low. Then we have a higher low right here. So lower low, higher low. I'm talking about now. I'm showing you the RSI divergence. This is a higher low, while the main chart here is giving us a lower low. Okay, so this is actually opposite. The information is contradicting, and that's why we call it divergence. So this strategy is for reversal. So once you see this divergence of 18, once you see this divergence of 18, then once you see this divergence of 18, all you need to do is to simply wait. Okay, when you are picking 10 candlesticks, don't just enter because you have seen divergence right here. Okay, you just have to wait until the price crosses this my line right here, the black line right here. So once the price crosses the line, okay, closes above the line, then that's where you are going to make entry. So we are making entry at this point. So we are entering our trade here. That's our entry point. Okay, so when you enter your trade, you pick 10 to 20 candlesticks. So from here you can see we had more than 40 or 50 candlesticks after the crossing to the upside. So you are picking 10 to 20 candles depending on your risk management. Okay, so that's exactly what you are going to be doing. And your stop loss, okay, should be below this low right here. You must set your stop loss also below here. Okay, so few pips below that low, swing low right there. Okay, so that's for this one. We keep going. Remember, we are looking for divergence here. Now we see another one. We have this and this, and have this and this. Let's see if there's divergence right there. So if you look closely, we have the main chart making a higher high. Okay, higher high right here. This one here is showing us something different. Okay, you can see this is lower than this. Okay, pay close attention. That's why I'm marking it out with this line. This swing high here, okay, is lower than this one. Why on the main chart this is higher than this? Okay, so that is a divergence right there. Is a reversal pattern. So once you see it, you make entry. Okay, let me still pick a line so that you get to understand this well. So you mark out this, which is giving us a higher high. Okay, then we mark out the second one, the RSI divergence, which is giving us now this one is giving us a lower high instead of higher high. Okay, so once you see this, you make entry and you catch these spikes to the downside. Okay, so remember your risk management. You know how much you are going to be risking. Your stop loss should be above the swing high here. Okay, your stop loss should be above that swing high, and you catch those spikes. Okay, or scalp anyone. So we have another. Let's see if we have another one here. No, I think it's not. There's no divergence right here. Okay, there's no divergence right there, and the setup is already showing it. Now we have, let's see if we have another one here. We have these two swing, and we also have these two swings. So let's see if there's divergence here. So here the price is making, the main chart, the price is giving us low and a lower low. Okay, this one is lower than this. Okay, which is a good movement to the downside. So the current low is lower than this. So let's see if you're having the same thing here. So we have this. Okay, this, they are equal. Okay, they are equal. So this one is also a good one. Is a divergence. Is giving us something opposite or something different from what the main chart is giving us. So you can actually take this trade when you have the price, the swings, they are equal, okay, making double bottom right there, while this one is giving us a lower low. Okay, you can still take this trade if you want, but for me, I always want to take only when I have the perfect divergence. Okay, but if you take this, you can still pick up to 10 candlesticks right here. If you count these candlesticks here, you can see is more than 10 candlesticks, so you can still pick that 10 candlesticks, okay, after the cross. And even if you are picking more than that, okay, and you set your stop loss, remember your stop loss should be here, okay. So if you are picking more than 10 candlesticks, you want to pick 20 or 30, you enter your trade even after these spikes, okay, your stop loss is not even close, the price is not even close to your stop loss, you're still going to make a lot of money to the upside. That is a reversal signal, guys. So we push, so we check out if you can get other signals. Now look at this. Let's see if we have any divergence right here. The price is pushing. We have this we have higher high, okay, sorry, we have a higher low here, okay, and the same thing. So there's no divergence here, the same information, so we are not actually taking a trade here. So you can see the whole the movement is the same both on our RSI and also our main chart. So we can actually backtest this over and over again, and it keep happening. So this is exactly how to use this. So if I close, I need to share with you the setup for this indicators, okay. So remember, if you want to join my 1-week mentorship program, intensive mentorship program in preparation for 2023 trade, okay, if you want to improve your trading in 2023, then join that program, okay. I'm going to leave the link to the group in the description of this video. If you want to join, just click on the link and join. Remember, it's not going to be free, okay, but it's going to be interesting, okay. So that's that for the mentorship program. So the setup we have, I told you we are using only two indicators right here. The first one is moving average 10, okay. You can screenshot this and set it up yourself, okay. Then the next indicator is RSI. Leave it by default, okay. Leave it by default, leave it by default. Even though if you have resetted your own, just click on this to reset the default, okay. Just click on set to default and it will reset period 14 and all that, okay. So that's that for the setup, guys. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment on the next video you want me to create, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.